Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple cider vinegar hair rinse. This is a rinse that I use every single time that I wash my hair. And how you're going to use this rinse actually is going to be between your shampoo and conditioning. So right after I wash out my shampoo, I will spray this guy all over my head. Careful not to get it in your eyes because it will slightly sting. Doesn't provide, awful irritation or anything like that, but that's just something to keep in mind when you're using it. But so you're going to use this every time between your shampoo and conditioner, and you're going to notice so many great improvements in your hair from this. It's going to reduce frizz, it can add shine to your hair, and also it's going to stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss, which is the biggest for me. I'm trying to grow my hair out right now, so I'm really being diligent with this, and I have noticed a huge difference. It's going to detangle your hair. It's going to also clarify the scalp, which is also really important for growth and preventing hair loss. So it's a little DIY I encourage you to try because the difference is unbelievable. So what we're going to need is going to be a spray bottle like this. I have a little bit of my rinse left, but I figured I'd go ahead and make a video. Also lavender essential oil. I use Dottera oils. You can use whatever you find at home. Dottera is my favorite preferred brand, but like I said, use whatever you have. Rosemary oil, apple cider vinegar. I have a little measuring cup here from the kitchen just to make it, a little easier. I've got this to make pouring smoother here on the table, and I also have a bottle of Essentia water. You can use any water that you have at home. Essentia is just the water that I personally drink, so I go ahead and use it. But for this recipe, it's pretty simple. It's going to be a fourth a cup here of apple cider vinegar and also a fourth a cup of water to start. So what we're going to do is take this off here. And I'll just set that to the side. And I like to go ahead and put my apple cider vinegar like that, and you can see the bottle has started to fill up. Then I will do the same with the water. And it looks like we're going to repeat that one more round. So once again, apple cider vinegar in, and then the water. And you obviously can use bigger measuring cups based on the bottle you have. After that's done, I go in with my essential oils. So I have rosemary and I have lavender here. Lavender is calming. It's also going to help soothe the scalp if there's any irritation. So then I'll go in, I'll put 3 drops in of that. Set it off to the side. And then rosemary oil. Great for the scalp, preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. And you can look these oils up as well and see the many benefits of them. So once you've done that, that's it. I will screw the top back on here. And one thing I will say is using those essential oils really makes the vinegar a lot less smelly. So that's great too. But just as any DIY product that's going to be liquid, I encourage you to shake it well before use.